With so much knowledge on the internet, it can be difficult to know what tips to take into consideration when thinking about auto insurance. Just make sure you keep an open mind and try and gather as much knowledge as you can when it comes to auto insurance, and you should be fine. Here are some helpful tips that should assist you with making decisions about auto insurance. If you are driving into Canada or Mexico, many people don't realize that your American car insurance won't cover you in a foreign country. You will need to purchase auto insurance ahead of time online, or in the border town or city where you will be crossing over into either Canada or Mexico. When you are setting up your auto insurance, make sure you remember what financing requirements you may have. The bank requires certain minimum coverage amounts that you must keep. If you change them, your account could have problems. It usually has to do with your deductible. So make sure you have the coverage set for the correct amount that your bank requires. To keep auto insurance from increasing, be sure to obey the traffic laws to avoid traffic violations, because violations on your record will drive up insurance costs. If a driving record is clean for at least 3 years, your auto insurance will not increase, and with a lot of auto insurance companies, your premium may decrease for having such a good driving history. One way to get good insurance rates on your car is to shop around and get insurance quotes from different companies. Different companies have different ways on how they calculate your insurance premium. By shopping around, you will be able to see the differences in rates. When you're looking at auto insurance, whether it's to buy a new policy or to renew an existing one, be aware of what your state's minimum requirements are. Most states require a certain level of liability coverage, so it's important to ensure that your policy does not fall short of these standards. To get the best deals on car insurance, you should be sure to understand the types of policies. This is because there are many types of coverage and they each protect you in different situations. Some of them will be more expensive but also provide higher coverage, while others will be much cheaper but not protect you as much. If you are willing to go to great lengths to save money on auto insurance, consider eliminating a car you do not use often. Any car insurance policy will be significantly cheaper for one vehicle than for two. While dropping a car is a fairly large lifestyle adjustment, the insurance savings can make the blow much softer. California. Try to maintain good credit scores. A few states, like California, ban the use of your credit score when calculating insurance premiums, but most allow it. Companies see people with low credit scores as high-risk customers, so they'll probably charge a hefty premium compared to a person with high credit scores. As you can see from the beginning of the article, these tips should help give you a greater insight into what decisions to make about auto insurance. Auto insurance doesn't have to be a difficult thing to learn, so use and apply the knowledge you learned from the article and you should be making the right decisions in the future. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.